Then, ang susunod po na nakalagay, dapat po tayo ay para pwede natin masagot. Okay, so, we will be discussing two key topics this afternoon. First is the Air Force Specialty Code, and of course, the RFD training program. Kasi nakita ko ngayon na most of you are wearing the all uniform. That one of your issues and concerns is that wala pa kayong bagong video grade. Tama ba? Okay, so it's time for you to listen. Para mamaya malalaman nyo kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng video grade. So, Air Force Specialty Code. So, malalaman natin, ano ba itong AFS? Sundalo na yun yung naaalala ko. Ang gusto ko lang yung time. The next one. Yan! Recruitment! Tama. Recruitment. So, ipapakilala ko lang po si Military Justice System. Ano po? Malinis, pasensya na kayo. Malinis yung nagawa presentation. Si Military Justice System po ay rules governing military personnel. Governing the conduct of military personnel. Ang military justice system lang po, siya yung nagpo-provide ng method kapag may personality, kapag si Captain Villa Gomez ay hindi sumunod sa batas. Ano ang mga batas po kaya? Alam niyo po yung Articles of War? Iba pa Si voluntary service instructor, pati-pati siya ng regular, di ba, sa training. Itong si VRI, voluntary service instructor, si Nate, yung nag-debate si MP. Dinig niya, binublog niya, pinagsisipa niya,
Start natin ang instruction niya. Okay? We have the reference, the objective, the person. Pero, balik mo ulit. Okay? Para alam nyo, bakit ano yung yung kailang dinidiscuss mo? Ibalik mo. Yan o. AFRC Strategic Direction Plan 2040 for the Ready Reserve Units ng Philippine Air Force. Yun yung i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon. Yan yung tutukan nyo ngayon. Kaya sabi ko, mag-record tayo today. At this moment. Next. Tandaan nyo lang yung AFP Strategic Direction Plan for the Ready Reserve Units 2040. That's time, that time na nandun na rin ako sa Reserve Force at magkasama na tayo lahat. Okay, next. Okay. So, kanina na-discuss naman yun, di ba? Yung 70-77. Then, ang sumunod dito, binugtong ko na. Ano yan? Yung Defense Strategic Guidance. Saan galing yung pag sinabing defense? Galing yan sa JAD. So, mabasa naman siguro niyo dyan. To have, diba? Kung di bang basahin, kung sinong break, okay lang. Okay? O una, to have a sizable number reserve force for force multiplier. Ma-mention na kanina. Sizable force multiplier. Para dito sa HCDR operations, sa internal security, pero isang territorial na tayo ngayon, kasi binago na ng DND yan, kung hindi namin binago pa. Dito sinabi ni Atty. May. Then, dito naman sa AFP Reserve Force, di ba DND na tayo? Di ba alam yung DND? Siguro, ang tupos natin. Ang under niya yung AFP. Gumawa din para sa Reserve Force. So, anong focus niya? A more developed, capacitated, and strengthened Reserve Force. Again, focus, report. Dito kayo magpo-focus. Please lang. Dito na kayo kasi nasaktan ako. Kasi nakita pa yung taga video 6 na maraming naiiwan. Number 1, nakita ko sa ito po. Report, please lang. Next, yung sa Philippine Air Force naman, kasi nandoon na tayo sa AFP, yung isa, sumunod niya na may authority yung Philippine Air Force na, di ba? Sunod Air Force Reserve Command. Sa Philippine Air Force, nandoon na tayo sa Strengthened and Integrated Reserve Force. Dapat may strengthen. Paano i-strengthen niya sa tanong? Ang ginawa muna natin ngayon, i-strengthen muna natin yung capability ninyo, yung skills nyo. And that's why mayroon tayong i-introduce na yun na APC. Please take it serious on that APC. Please lang. Okay? Para ma-integrate kayo. Yung dalawang word na yun, napaka-simple kung napakabigat namin ginawa. How many months? Almost a year, bago lang nila yung mamay ipapakita ko. Dahil dyan sa Republic Act 77, yung Defense Strategy Guidance, yung Armed Forces, hanggang bumaba, dito na tayo magpo-focus na Strengthened and Integrated Reserve Force. Tutukan niyo yan, dyan lang yung gusto kong focus ninyo. Huwag kayo gumawa ng iba, please na. Pabalik-balik yung sabihin sa inyo ito. Kalimutan na lahat. Ito na yung focus nyo. Please. Okay, reference pa lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, may direction na tayo ngayon. Noong panahon ko noon, may sinabi pa akong ganito? Hanggang absent na ako, di ba? Absent na PCST nyo, mag-UEDT kayo. After na UEDT, ano gagawin nyo? Kasi magkakandak na lang kami ng CMO. Di ba? Ano? Mag-filing na lang kami kung mayroong schedule ng filing. Pasensya na, puro nasaktan ako noon kasi kasalanan ko ito. It's because wala tayong direction noon. Stress lang. Totoo lang. Hindi ko lang ma-direct because I have no right magsasalita pa noon. Pasensya na, ngayon, palaban na ako. yun yung saan kayo unit i-integrate. Ibig sabihin, kung ang unit nangangailangan ng communication, nangangailangan ng engineering yung tao, alam niyo yung tao?
Ako na yan sa video na. Oo. Kung mapatay rin, may pagkapatay ng screen mo. Sige ako na. Nakaulit ka lang sa mga. Pag mag-stop, hindi pag doon, hindi na marikot. Dapat dito. Naman, yan, mapatay screen na rin. Pag-record ako. I-record yung ito para makita ko sa pindot lang yan. Ayan, di ba patay siya? Pero record pa rin yung video may liwanag. Nakita mo, di ba? Patay. Pero record yan. Pag mag-stop na, pindot lang yan.
Activities from yesterday to today possible. Again, welcome and suffer.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, we shall now proceed to the loading of rank to the newly promoted officer of the Air Force Reserve Command and the pinning of rank to the newly promoted enlisted reservist. Likewise, may we call on the Assistant Chief of Command Staff for Personnel, T1 Lieutenant Colonel Jose Luis L. Del Rosario, Philippine Air Force, for the reading of promotion order of the newly promoted officers of the Air Force Reserve Command.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines. General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. General Orders Number 732, dated 03 June 2024. Promotion. Pursuant to the provisions of Section 6 of the Republic Act Number 291, as amended, in conjunction with Republic Act Number 11709, as amended by the Republic Act Number 11939, and other relevant laws, the following named officers of the Philippine Air Force are promoted to the permanent rank of Captain, Officer-3, effective since 7 December 2023. First Lieutenant John Paulo P. Larisma, Officer-146-707, Philippine Air Force. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Arthur M. Cordura, Lieutenant General, Philippine Air Force, Acting Chief of Staff, signed Ramilo B. Trinidad, Captain, Philippine Navy, General Staff Corps, Acting General, Captain General.
May we request the Commander Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Elpidio B. Tala, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, to don the newly promoted officers. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. At this point, we shall now proceed to the pinning of ranks to the newly promoted enlisted reservists. May we call on the newly promoted officers, Captain Giancarlo B. Larisma, Philippine Air Force Admin Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, to read the promotion order of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
Air Force Reserve Command, Headquarters, 5th Air Reserve Center, Brigadier General Benito N. Buen Air Base, Lapu-Lapu City. Office Order Number 7, dated 13 June 2024. The permanent promotion of following named enlisted reservists to the next higher grade is announced effective 01 June 2024. To the rank of Sergeant, AW1C Irene S. Panes, ILT 190256660, Philippine Air Force Reserve.
May we request again the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, to pin the ranks of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
AQ T1401443, Philippine Air Force Reserve. A1C Gregorio E. Manning, AQ T13-15451, Philippine Air Force Reserve. By order of Colonel Cirillo, Ernesto Tiago Jr., Major, Philippine Air Force, Executive Officer, signed, John Paulo Villarisma, Captain, Philippine Air Force, the Director for Administration.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the newly promoted officer and enlisted reservists. Please be seated. At this point, we shall now proceed to the presentation of certificates of appreciation. May we request the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, for the distribution of certificates. The citation reads, Philippine Air Force Headquarters, Air Force Reserve Command, Clark Air Base, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Alan Shane for invaluable support and services that greatly contributed to the successful conduct of Reserve Force development activities conducted by Air Force Reserve Command at Boracay, Aklan Island from 14th to 17th June 2024. Given this 17th day of June 2024, Boracay, Aklan Island. Signed, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force Commander. Same citation is given to Major Brian D. Hugo, Philippine Army, Task Force Boracay. DENR CENRO Boracay, to be received by Joannes S. Opeta. Mega Parao, to be received by Mr. Rafi Cooper. Paradise Cable Television Incorporated, to be received by Miss Ophel M. Tabanero. Boracay Sun, Miss Goma Mahidol Monroe. We shall now proceed to the presentation of recognition. In grateful appreciation for its invaluable services that greatly contributed to the successful conduct of Reserve Force development activities conducted by Air Force Reserve Command at Boracay, Aklan Island from 14th to 17th June of 2024. The citation reads in recognition of outstanding and dedication and invaluable contribution to voluntary activities. Their selfless service and commitment have made significant impact on our community and exemplify the true spirit of volunteerism given during the Reserve Force development activities at Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan. May we call on Staff Sergeant Richard Iyoyo, Philippine Air Force Reserve, First Sergeant, to receive the certificate. Thank you, sir. You may now be seated. At this juncture, we shall now proceed to the next part of our program, the Assumption of Command, Group Commander, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve. For the reading of relief and designation orders, may we call on Assistant Chief of Command Staff for Personnel, C1 Air Force Reserve Command, Lieutenant Colonel Jose Luis L. Del Rosario, Philippine Air Force.
Philippine Air Force, Headquarters, Air Force Reserve Command, Clark Air Base, Mapalaca City, Pampanga. General Orders Number 16, dated 21 February 2024. Relief and destination. Number 1, relief. Captain Leymar R. Rebalto, Officer -141057, Philippine Air Force Reserve, is relieved as Officer in Charge, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, 5th Air Force Wing Reserve, Air Force Reserve Command, effective 21 February 2024. 2. Designation. Major Alvin E. Natividad, Officer -144320, Philippine Air Force Reserve, is designated as Officer in Charge, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, 5th Air Force Wing Reserve, Air Force Reserve Command, effective 21 February 2024. By command of Major General Tala, Official Henry E. Estoesta, further, Philippine Air Force, Masters in National Security Administration, Chief of Command Staff. Signed, George C. Angela, Second Lieutenant, Philippine Air Force Command.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations. Likewise, the newly installed Group Commander, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, will now give his remarks and subsequently introduce the presiding officer.
Philippine Air Force, Headquarters, 5th